Good morning, students. Our this 16th chapter quadrilateral, this chapter completed. Then next one chapter you see here this three-dimensional shape, cuboids or a rectangular prism. We have learned to make a cuboid from its need. Give examples to how to the shape can be obtained in other ways. See this rectangular prism. All the faces of this cuboid are this rectangular and its opposite faces are this identical or congruent. Means the cuboid is also a quadrangular prism. This cuboid is also a quadrangular prism. Cuboid is a rectangle type. All faces of this rectangular are these identical, and the cuboid is also a quadrangular prism. Then how many edges does this cuboid have and how many vertices? In the figure here, points A and B are two of these 8 vertices. Here 8 vertices. How many vertices? A, B, AB, here C, here D, here P, Q, R, and this S. This cuboid has 12 edges, 8 vertices and 6 faces. Cuboid has 12 edges, 8 vertices and 6 faces. Then next one, you see this figure cube. There is a dice in the figure alongside. What difference do you see in the shape of this dice and of a cuboid? Cuboid is also a rectangular type and cube is a square type. See this cube. This cube also 8 vertices, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and this 12 edges and 6 faces. As it is, this cube has 12 edges, 8 vertices and 6 faces. Then next one figure you see here, this triangular prism. This figure triangular prism. What is the shape of these faces at the base and the top of this figure alongside? And what is the shape of these faces on these sides? Such a figure is this a triangular prism. How many edges, vertices and faces does this triangular prism have? Then you write here this how many faces this triangular prism, how many vertices and how many faces. Then you write this. Then next one figure is cylinder. Know this cylinder figure. This cylinder. You must have seen a tall box with this circular base, a tin like, that is this shape of example of this cylinder. If the tin is closed, it is a closed cylinder. A closed cylinder has two flat circular faces. And one is curved face, and the cylinder has two these circular edges and here no vertex. Cylinder has no vertex, one curved face, circular face, and these circular edges. Then see this next one figure. Cone, this cones you are familiar with examples of these cones. You can see these two of them in the pictures below. This cone has been closed after filling it with ice cream and its circular top is closed. Then next one, see here, this is a clown's cap and the circular base of this cap is closed. Here this closed, here this top part is here and this circular part of this cap is closed. Means here the tip of this cone is called as apex. This figure you see this cone and this tip of this cone is called as apex. A cone that is closed by a flat disc has this one curved face, one circular flat face and one circular edge. And open cone has a curved face. Open cone has a curved face and a circular edge but no flat face. Here in this cones no flat face. Then next one, this figure you see these spheres. The shape of a large ball, a short put, is called as a sphere, and the sphere has just one curved face, and it does not have any vertices or any edges. Then see this here, practice set 41. Here say, names of these shapes given: cylinder, cone, pentagonal, pyramid, hexagonal pyramid, hexagonal prism, pentagonal prism. Write the number of faces, edges and vertices of each shape in the table. Then here faces, vertices and edges. Here in this table, here columns given and here shapes of these different names also given. Then you write here how many faces, how many vertices and how many edges. Then in homework you complete this problem set 41. Then here also this chapter completed. This last one chapter, 3-dimensional shapes. In this chapter only this figure of this cuboid is rectangle type. This cuboid has these 12 edges, 8 vertices and 6 faces. Then next one figure cube has also square type. This also same, these 12 edges, 8 vertices and 6 faces. Then next one figure, this triangular prism, this this cylinder and cone and sphere. Only this much part here. And in this practice set 41 one table is given. Then in homework you complete this.